All right, let's play flip. You're going to go here. You're going to open it up. The whole point of flip is to get as close as you can to your target number. So if we were playing this game live, face-to-face, in person, we would literally be flipping over number cards, 0 through 9. But since we're not face-to-face, since you're playing this game digitally, we're still going to call it flip. You are going to be rolling these dice at Toy Theater instead. You want one dice, and you want the 10-digit dice, which is the light blue one right here. So this is how we're going to play the game. So again, your whole entire goal is to get as close to your target number as possible. So in this example round, your target number is going to be 4,872. Let's roll the dice and see what we get the first time. We end up with a 4. That's amazing. I'm going to put a 4 in the thousands place because I'm trying to get as close to this number as possible. Now, there are play piles and there are discard piles. So I have a 0 this time. So I don't have a 0 in any of the digits here, so I'm going to discard my 0. If we were playing with cards, the cards would be face down in the draw pile, and every time the teacher says flip, you flip it over. We're just playing with dice this one. All right, we got a 2, and we have a 2-digit in our target number, so I'm going to put the 2 in this ones place, just like our target number has. Our next roll is a 7. Oh man, we are getting lucky. So I'm going to put a 7 in the tens place where we have the 7 in the tens place. So what digit am I hoping to roll right now? Yep, an 8, because we're trying to get the lowest number possible of the difference between our, yay, look at that. This doesn't happen very often. We got the exact number. It's so cool. We do not need to roll any more times because we have our number we're playing with. What we are trying to do is we are trying to find the difference or the distance between our target number and the number we rolled. This does not happen very often. It's very rare that you're going to end up getting the exact number, but it does happen. So you're going to come down here to the score page. You're going to find the difference between our numbers. Our target number was 4,872. We ended up rolling 4,800. Sorry about that. 72. So our score this round was 0, which is exactly what we want. We want the lowest score possible. You have to be very careful with what is your whole and what is your part because you're finding the difference. So sometimes your whole is going to be your target number. Sometimes your whole is going to be the number that you rolled and ended up getting. Be very careful. Make sure in this case, you always want your bigger number to be the whole, the top number, taking away the part so you can find the distance between the two numbers. Subtraction is kind of situational. So in this situation, we're just trying to find the difference between the two, the distance on the number line. So you're going to play 5 rounds. I have five more target numbers for you on slides 3 through 7. And on slide 8, you're going to keep score. At the end of your 5 rounds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to take those 5 scores, you're going to add them up to get your final score. You want the smallest number possible. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the game. Flip.